and most especially our group members for their dedication and teamwork. It took us only 2 months to come up and then to organize this, execute this program. And I am sorry if there are some glitches, some difficulties, but I hope overall you are happy and satisfied with our event. Thank you. To all group members, thank you very, very much. That this is a true sign of Bayanihan. We were just discussing it. This was just a plan, a conversation, came up on a conversation, and then eventually it came to this. I hope we will, the momentum that we have already gained will help us push through with our future plans. And if you have any suggestions from Filipino communities, if you have any suggestions, anything that you want us to discuss it later on, we are very open. We have a Facebook page that you can write your comments there. And the event is a true reflection of our Bayanihan spirit, Filipino, helping one another for a healthier and stronger community. Let us continue this spirit beyond today, spreading awareness and care whenever you go. Together we can silence hypertension before it silences us. Maraming salamat po again. And mabuhay ang lahing Pilipino, malusog, magkaisa, na may puso. Thank you very much.